An MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, site acceptance test, SAT, is crucial in the commissioning phase of building projects. It verifies that all MEP systems are correctly installed, function as designed, and comply with standards. This ensures any installation errors, performance issues, or safety non-compliance are identified and addressed before handing over the building to the client. Purpose and scope. The main goal of the MEP SAT is to ensure all systems meet the project requirements. The test covers mechanical systems, HVAC systems, boilers, chillers, pumps, and other mechanical equipment. Electrical systems, power distribution, lighting, fire alarm systems, backup power sources, and electrical panels. Plumbing systems, water supply, drainage, sewage, and gas distribution systems. Preparation. Documentation review, reviewing design specifications, equipment manuals, and installation guides. Pre-test checks, visual inspections to verify the proper installation and configuration of components. Testing procedures. Mechanical systems testing. HVAC systems, checking air handling units, ventilation fans, and air conditioning units for airflow, temperature control, and system response. Chillers and boilers, testing for operational efficiency, temperature regulation, and load response. Pumps and motors, measuring flow rate, pressure, and vibration levels. Electrical systems testing. Power distribution, measuring voltage and current for proper distribution and load balancing. Testing circuit breakers and protection devices. Lighting systems, ensuring proper operation of lighting fixtures, including dimming and emergency lighting. Fire alarm systems, testing detectors, alarms, control panels, and integration with other safety systems. Backup power systems, testing generators and UPS systems under load conditions. Plumbing systems testing. Water supply, conducting pressure tests to check for leaks and measuring flow rates at fixtures. Drainage and sewage, ensuring proper drainage without blockages or leaks. Gas distribution, performing leak and pressure tests for safe gas distribution. Reporting and documentation. Detailed reports document the test procedures, results, and any issues found, including test methodologies, results versus design specifications, photographs and diagrams, recommendations for rectifying issues, rectification and retesting. Issues identified are addressed by contractors, followed by retesting to ensure compliance with standards and specifications. Final acceptance. Upon successful completion of tests and rectifications, MEP systems are deemed ready for use. A final acceptance certificate is issued, indicating the building's readiness for occupancy. Conclusion. The MEP SAT is a thorough process ensuring the reliability, safety, and efficiency of building systems. Please check description for books about building services.